What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I'm hype about XRP today because I've been making XRP videos for a while, and it's great to see things flourish a lot more and to see me not only at break even, but also well above break even point at this point. And seeing what XRP has done has just been phenomenal for the last couple of days. Not really seeing a God candle yet, one of those ones that just absolutely takes off, gets you to a value of $1, if not a lot further. But we are seeing some major movement within this position and honestly within the market. So it's great to see. So before we get into where XRP stands, make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, feel free to do so. Those links are in the description. Now, also, I want to let you guys know that I do have a copy trading strategy in Margex if you guys want to join it or be a part of it or whatever. You don't have to if you don't want to. I am being very, very cautious with it, but it's over on Margex. And you guys can, see what that's all about. Also, if you want to just start trading on Margex, you can. You can trade up to a 100x leverage with Bitcoin and Ethereum, 50x leverage with XRP, 50x leverage with Jasmine Coin, and 25x leverage on meme coins. And they're adding new coins, it seems like, every single day. So if you want to be a part of that and, leverage trading and being, interested in that and being able to gain something if you are comfortable with trading, feel free to go ahead and check that out. Just to give you an example of some of the gains that I've received, not really overall in what it looks like, but some of the gains that I've received, I'm looking at XRP up about 2,000%. We will talk about that later. 2,200%. This is up 120%. The next one, 115%, 267%, 238%, 283%, 241%, 100%, 4,900%. So you have many different plays to where I'm up a decent amount and profit that I've already been taking by seeing it up 200 or 300%. So with that being said, I'm able to find some success in the markets by doing that with my own trades, with my own money. And being able to capture a lot in the process. Now, a lot of people will see exactly how I've been able to gain as much XRP as I've been able to gain, because when you're gaining $262 on I don't know what this was, it was a $20 investment, $262 on a $20 investment plus the amount that I gained before, which I honestly can't remember exactly how much it was. I think it was $47. So about $300 on a $21 investment. That's phenomenal. A $200 investment, you're gaining $234. This is how you're able to gain so much more of that cryptocurrency that I wanted, right? Which was XRP. Some people said, hey, that couldn't all have been gains. And I'm like, have you seen what Margex has been able to do for me? Like, I've been able to capture not only my investment, but also capturing double my investment while still having something on the table. It's just been working, wonders. And it's because I am comfortable with trading and I understand trading as well as the long-term aspect, not just the short-term aspect of it. So anyways, let's go ahead and get into what's going on with XRP today. If we look at the entire crypto market, it is up 1.17%, up to a $2.32 trillion market cap. You're seeing Bitcoin's dominance that is decreasing a little bit, but still sitting around the 53 or 54% mark. We want to see that a lot lower if we're looking for altcoin season. We have a lot of things that are moving. You have Bitcoin up by 2%, Ethereum up by 2%, Solana up by 5%. But then you have XRP that's up by 9.9% and 35% in the last 7 days. This has been phenomenal movement for this position because it gets me up to not only above my cost basis, which was about 51 cents. It's now way above that, and I'm like $7,000, $6,000 up on this play alone. Every cent that this increases, I gain $1,000 because I have 100,000 XRP. Now, it's currently has broken the $30 billion mark again, and that's great to see. It's at a $32.7 billion mark, while a lot of other people were saying, look, this position's not even going to get back to 60 cents, not even going to get back to 55 cents, not going to get back to 50 cents because it was down to like 40 cents or so. And my response was, this is a buying opportunity for me and for anybody else that's a part of the XRP community. You understand that this is a buying opportunity and that it will go up, that it will be popular, that it will have that drive and push, and we will see higher prices. and adoption and all the things that we want for this position, as well as the parent company. So seeing it at 58 cents, seeing it borderline 60 cents, I think it did hit 60 cents and retraced a little bit. Seeing it at 60 cents, absolutely phenomenal. $32.7 billion market cap, back up to closing in on a $33 billion market cap, which the volume is at a $3.3 billion mark. Up 94% on the day. Also, volume to market cap ratio shows that level of popularity being at about 10%. Phenomenal to see. We're closing in on 56% circulating supply that is out there, as they are adding more, throughout the month. Every month they add about 1 billion or something like that. They're supposed to. I know sometimes they may not add that much. I know when it was around 54%, they took forever to get to 55%, it seems like. But this is about a month from what I'm understanding. It might be a little bit over that at this point, but we're seeing it climb to those levels. That's the point. And the addition of coins is not necessarily the worst thing in the world, especially since it's at 55% already. If it was at 5%, that would make sense to kind of call for the end of the world when, you have still another 95% to go. But this can't even be diluted by one whole, right? Can't even be diluted or push the price by half if it stays at the same market cap. If we look at the last 7 days, again, it is up by 35%. We have seen this move from 43 cents up to 59 cents. And when I saw this opportunity, the first thing I thought of was find the low so that I can leverage this position, because I don't want to throw all of my money in there, because I honestly didn't have a crazy amount to spend in order to do so. But what I wanted to do was be able to leverage and see if I can gain something by leveraging. And what I did was through a 50x leverage in a MargX. And you're going to see here that I threw a 50x leverage, $21 from wrapped Bitcoin and what I had. And I decided to take that. I ended up taking profit and my initial investment. I took $47 worth of the total amount, so $21 worth of my initial investment, and then the other $26 or so. Am I doing that math right? Whatever it is, I took that as the profit, and now I'm sitting on another $260 that's just sitting there, where I bought at the 40-cent price level, and my liquidation point is 40 cents. So it's not too far away from this price point, but the current price is 58 cents. I wish I would have bought more, but usually when I do a higher leverage, like a 50x leverage, I'm not investing that much. You could see Jasmine Coin, I invested at a 50x leverage when it came down to 1.5 cents. And you can see that I'm up $1,083 or 5,000%. So I don't typically do a 50x leverage often, but you can see here that even the ones that aren't 50x leverages are working wonders for me. Now, this is MargX. If you guys want to be a part of that or join that, feel free to use my link down below. They are a partner with the channel. I've been having a lot of success with them. And I've also been having success in the copy trading sector as well. But it's great to see XRP making these moves. I tried to look up to see what's going on, if there's any news. So settlement rumors debunked, and I guess that's where this comes from, where you have settlement rumors, but I haven't seen much more on that. This is the only piece to it that I have seen. But either way, XRP, when we do see a full settlement for Ripple versus SEC, this is kind of just a little glimpse, a little glimmer of hope of what we could see with this price that pushes up, based on just that information alone on what's going to happen. That's not actually having the settlement go through, actually having the information about it go through is a completely different animal than just having rumors that are out there. So I want to know what you guys think about XRP. Are you still bullish on XRP? Are the people that were not bullish, that believe that this was going to zero, are you still thinking that it's going to zero? Do you think that it has no value? I want to know your opinion in the comment section below. So let me know down there. Feel free to check out any links, whether it's Twitter or Patreon or MargX or something. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. See ya.